Oh, what are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? Oh. Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. Sunday ride today. Today is a ride for kids day. So it's a ride for a cause, mga brain tumor pediatric patients. So far, ito yung lineup. I'm sure marami pang parating. Time check is around 10 AM. KSU is at 11. Samahan niyo kami today. Let's go. You know, we got the brothers over here. Brothers. Bro Press.
Hola! What's up, bro?
How are you?
What's up, bro, San? What's up, bro? Big T!
Hi, Teng. Hello.
Hello, kuya.
Gusto mo? Kuya?
Sa mga ano nyo mga pang-summer
Jacket din mo.
Nang pogi, eh? Oh, gusto mo? Balita.
Anong isa na kita? Pupunta ka.
Oh, picture na, picture. Picture. Yawn.
There you go.
Ayaw.
So yan, may mga booth dito kung ano-ano. Tapos samahan nyo kami sa ride mamaya. You're good, you're good. Let's go. So meron silang pakape at donut. May donut ba? Croissant yan eh, croissant. O, kape. Kakape yan?
Kape.
Kape kayo?
Kape. Parang pampagising.
Ano mas kamawi?
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock.
Sino nanonood yan?
Ha? Si Tita.
Nanonood ng nanay ko.
Alright, we're about to ride out now. Start your engine, but not the Ducati, it's gonna be hot. So I think at least 100 bikes today. Everybody here?
I'm here.
Daming motor, oh. Look at that.
Mic check.
Mic check.
Mic check. Symbols.
There you go, he's connected now. You here? Yeah. You go in the front.
That's my Beamer group, right?
Huh?
That's my Beamer group. Hey, bud.
Bomba!
Combo boys.
Parinig naman ng scrambler, oh. Parinig ng scrambler, oh. Isang bomba naman sa scrambler, oh. Monster. Yan! Puta.
Tapos namatayan, no?
Hey, make sure we go together, ah. Make sure we go together. Woo! Ah, damn.
Puta, sumasayaw yung motor ang puta.
Bro, he got nitrous.
Ganda yan, walang mamatayan, ha?
Don't stall. Don't stall. Make sure your side stands are up, bro. Puta, parang ano, Iron Man, ah. Staging na Iron Man, oh.
Group C, let's go. Awesome.
Yeah, you know. Yeah.
Awesome.
Sige, after namin. Yeah, go. Go ahead. Then go in front of me.
Hello. Picture on your right.
Go ahead. Go Richard, go ahead. Oh.
Okay, so it was. How come walang stoplight?
No, they're gonna relax, bro. They're gonna make sure everybody's lined up before they start rolling. Philippines! Come on, let's get it rolling. It's getting hot. It's a car in the left.
Push him up.
No. Should stop. Bro, you see the cap? Come on, bro.
Go.
Don't stop, don't stop,
No.
don't stop, don't stop. Oh,
I have to wait for her.
should have bell.
It's our lead.
Oh, lead.
Just our lead.
Did you say hi?
Yeah, that's why I told Kuya Teo it's gonna be the massage. The pixie.
As let's say, eat my pixie dust.
This is a escorted ride, so alright. Oh, BMW gang.
Oh, my friends.
Pixie. That's a lot of bikes. It feels like Super Sunday but organized.
No wheelie.
No wheelies.
My navigation just said police reported ahead.
No shit. There's gonna be a lot of them. Every corner, bro. Oh, what are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? What you get, bro?
They're gonna get his ass.
You didn't see it coming? Oh, so this is gonna be the pace the whole ride?
Good thing I didn't like the Panigale. Shit. I'm sweating.
It's getting better. We're at 25 miles or 20 miles per hour now. Yeah, it's getting better. Hell yeah.
That's
Woo!
Red light.
Red Rap Gaming. That felt good, the air. Bro, our patches looks good from the back. It's nice.
Hyper.
Oh, what's up, Hyper bro? Hyper bro. This is the problem. This is probably the slowest we're gonna go through here, no? Because the Vespa we're still doing 60. Oh, look at that highway peg. Is it working, Kuya Jody?
Yeah.
It's pretty good though. It's like right here, no? This is a good ride. You donate $40 for the kids and then you get the ride. That's good.
Not bad. Good cause.
Yeah, it's a good cause for sure.
What, are we going straight over to 215 or are we stopping at the overlook?
No, it's gonna go straight 215. No stopping. It's gonna go all the way around the loop. Wonder how's Kuya Kenneth doing? If he's swimming right now or running or biking?
At this time, he's probably biking.
Biking? That's the longest? Is it? What's the longest? Biking or running?
Biking.
Oh, biking?
They're all the same. Yeah, biking's
the
like
same,
120 miles.
No way. But the swim is what, 2 miles?
Yeah. Or Swim, I think, is 2 miles. The ride it, or the bike is like 120, and the run is like 25.
God damn.
Yeah, either way, I ain't doing it.
I was talking about it with Sis the other day. I'm like, if he's gonna do it next year, we should go and wait on the finish line.
Yeah. Imagine everybody went to the Overlook.
Yeah, it's gotta be full. Got no space.
It's gonna be like Philippines.
Oh,
All the
saying hi.
motorcycles.
Saying hi.
Brum brum.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Gustong pagbigyan eh.
Hello.
GS, watch. GS.
Picture.
May pumipikit din pala dito.
Oo, meron. Marilaki. Convertible weather. Yesterday, I think they have a marathon here yesterday. But people are going up. There's a lot of them.
Inside the loop.
Yeah, but they started here. They're going uphill. No Overlook gaming today, guys.
Pero, si Tropa.
Oh, it's Jordan. Si Jordan pala yun eh. Tal.
Yeah?
Si Jordan.
Si Maria Clara.
Spotted na naman si Jordan. Alright, we're out of Red Rock. Now we're gonna go 215, go back to Silvertone. I think they're shutting down the freeway. That's what I heard earlier from brother
Nice.
Greg. I'm on. Oh, that guy's dipping out already. Like, bye.
I'll get time to go home.
Hey, Chua, what you doing, Chua?
Like an older version.
Oh, it's them again.
Oh yeah.
That's why they made a U-turn.
Yeah.
Stopping.
The kid.
So Kuya Jody, with that setup, you can still bring down the windshield.
Again?
With that setup, you can still put it down, the windshield. Ah, okay. We're actually almost at the end of the line. Yes sir, we're off the freeway. Back to the side streets. What's up, bud?
Rev. Good day, Rev.
We're almost back to Silvertone.
I was trying to exit on the right. We go straight or
Go straight. Huh? Why are they
No,
going
wait.
right? Go right, go right.
Straight?
Go right. I guess, go right.
Yes, go right. We follow them.
They already cut out.
No, they're going home.
Oh shit.
And they're going home.
Okay, we go.
Okay, we go straight. I'll go parking lot.
We go straight.
So where are we going?
No, just follow them. Whatever. Yeah.
Alright.
Go ahead.
Yeah,
Follow.
It's right there.
Yeah, follow it. Bro, everybody followed us.
That's what I said.
Yeah. Make a left.
Punta pa uwi pala yung mga yun.
Yeah, yung sasabi ko, pagka nag-cut off tayo, sigurado gagayahin tayo eh.
Follow.
Okay, follow. Diretso.
Ito nag-tour.
Ayan, yung mga bata. Achoo!
Good job.
Napitek.
Yep.
Rev up!
Rev up.
Rev up!
Rev up.
Rev up
kid.
na, rev up.
Rev up! Rev up lang, wag rev limiter. Rev up lang.
Ah, we go.
Yeah, go straight. Go straight.
Diretso.
Let's go. We exit. Go exit.
Go. Exit kami.
Yeah, go exit.
Go homing.
Go Omings.
Ay, puta. Pwede.
Okay, init yan. Hindi, pwede yan.
Wala na tayo escort, tayo.
Wala. Oh, we have to stop now, ah.
No more escort.
Go on the left. Go straight. Go in the middle. There you go. Let's go.
Stop sign.
Oh, okay.
Hey, everybody go.
Okay, now we're gonna eat brunch or lunch na pala. It's 12:34.
Yakot, sundan mo, Yakot.
Go straight. Alright, that was a success. We finished the ride.
No. What happened, Bella?
Kwento yun, said just rev up na red line.
You almost fell.
Jertek.
Go ahead, yeah, that's fine.
Oh, your wristband fell.
Look at Kueteo's plate. Good thing it's not hitting, huh? When I rode Bomax, I hit it.
Alin?
Yung plaka.
Di ba natama?
I don't think so. I don't see any marks.
Sige, JR, limiter.
Hello.
Pasok. Kueteo. Bante na. Relax ka lang, boy. Mainit.
Napali.
Next one, you can go on next one or this one. Either way.
We got this one.
Huh? Yeah. Kuya Jody, we're gonna make a right, okay?
Okay, we take this path.
Alright, lunchtime. Dito tayo sa Omings. Kanin and pork belly. Huwag ka mag-alala, may manok. May manok dito.
Chicken or pork?
Chicken or pork? Sige. Si Kuya Teo, ano lang ito? Chicken at saka isda.
Bagong buhay.
Namamayat na oh. Ang tuli ng monster lagi ngayon. Bubaang pa eh.
Yung nagkagaw, napilitang mag-chicken o isda na lang kasi hindi makapag-motor.
Oo nga. Oo. Saka gustuhan niya ng motor, ayaw niya na magka-gout.
Sisig.
Sisig. Sisig bangus.
Sisig bangus. Pwede.
Sisig bangus. O yung ano, sisig ang palaya.
May mayapan yan, salmon. Salmon.
Ayaw mo nung sisig ang palaya? Chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken or pork?
Chicken.
Ito walang, hindi walang kanin. Kulay ah.
Damo.
Ano sa'yo? Sisig?
Ano, rice na may konting sisig.
Alright, so tapos na kami mag-lunch, uwi na. So yun lang, nag-ride for kids lang tayo. So ang beneficiary ng ride na yun is yung mga pediatrics na may brain tumor. So yeah, ride for kids every year siya ginagawa. First time namin gawin this year, and I think we're gonna do it again next year. So far yung napag-usapan. Okay naman, syempre ang dami, so slow pace lang yung ride. Sakto lang naman yung weather. Medyo overdress pa nga tayo para sa init, pero okay lang. So yun, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin today. Sa mga bagong subscribers, welcome to our channel. Sa mga hindi umalis, nag-aabang, maraming salamat sa inyo. Alright, until the next one guys, ingat kayo dyan and enjoy. Let's go.